Internal CSS in the means on this page means you saw that on this page but not internally or not inline. Internally means on this page only, means you make a style keyword and on that style you saw the changes here. Okay, an internal CSS may be used if one single HTML page has a unique style. The internal styles defined the inside style sheet. Okay, style element. Okay, inside the head section you already saw that on that head section, under the head section style sheet is there. On that style sheet some changes is there, and this is the HTML. This is the first heading, this is second, same as that. And what is the output? It is the output. Okay, if you want to show, I'll show you. It is my internal CSS. You saw that same as the what is saw in PPT. So I run it, open in browser. You saw that some changes there. 50 pixel or 20 pixel is I already saw. It is some margin left. Okay, 100 pixel. Okay, no, not a problem. Just refresh it. You saw that some gap is there. It is 100 pixel. Okay. So that is a internal CSS. Internal CSS another name is embedded style sheet. Okay, that is another name is, what is the another name of internal CSS? Embedded style sheet. This style for information is a style tag, already tell you, which is nested in the head tag. Okay, and another is and external, on this external CSS another name of external CSS linked CSS. That's another name is linked CSS, LINKED. Okay,